Hey guys, it's Charmise Aegis from Charmed Bath and Body, and today I'm bringing you a super easy charm DIY. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for tuning in, and please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so that you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY. Like I said, today's DIY is super easy. It's herbal bath salt. So let's just get into it.
So the materials you'll need for this DIY is 1 cup of Epsom salt, a half a cup of fine sea salt, 1 tablespoon of Himalayan salt, a half a cup of flowers like lavender, calendula, rose, that's what I have, and then 7 drops of lavender essential oil. So you'll just need to mix the salts together first, and then make sure there's no clumps. I like to add the Himalayan salt just because I think it's just so pretty. Then next you'll add the herbal or floral mixture and just mix it up, and then add the 7 drops of essential oil. Now if you don't like lavender essential oil, that's fine. You can also just add whatever essential oil you like. Sometimes I like to put grapefruit. That's one of my favorite smells. You can do eucalyptus if you want to do more calming or de-stressing. And if you don't want to be bothered with having to clean up the flowers, or you just don't want them floating in your bath water, the salt is just perfect without them as well. And then all you have to do after that is just put them in a container. I'm using a mason jar because that's the closest thing I had on hand.